Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix black screen after champion select in League of Legends. So first, try to run League client in administrator mode, compatibility mode for Windows XP Service Pack 3, check and uncheck override high DPI settings. And then open CMD, type any TSH WinSock preset, then enter. And then uncheck IPv6 in Windows connections. Right-click your connection and click Properties. You will see it there. Now, click on Windows key plus R. Type misconfig and uncheck every non-Microsoft program in msconfig other than VGC. Disable set exception for League Vanguard in your antivirus. And next is update your Windows. Lastly, update graphic drivers. But if all of that didn't work, simply reinstall your League of Legends and that might work. And that's basically it.